Hi everyone, I'm Shangshang Li. Well, today I will show you a tutorial of how I remake my web app in Touchdesigner. You can scan the QR code and use iPhone and open it in Chrome. So it's called CarrotCarrot. It's a garden simulation live fitness game. But unfortunately, part of it is still in progress. So I made a very basic version of it in Touchdesigner. So at here, you can see well, it's not such a as completed version as my website does, but you can see like when I open my TouchOSC, so it can be detected the user movement detected every time the user make a step in real life, and you can also like empty the energy count to have it work again. A little avatar and my idea of making a 3D model in Touchdesigner is from Noto, and also I watched a tutorial of Talking Ball. And also the idea of using the SRS sensor in Touchdesigner is inspired from the interactive immersive HQ's video, but I didn't use the one they mentioned in the video. But the app they mentioned is free and it's also strong. But I use Touchdesigner in my project. Yeah. And also like for my real app, it's kind of something like this. So I just remake like the moving part. So that's a network, and you can see here are the OSC in here. So basically, the rabbit like jumping is controlled. Due to the sensitivity of the designer, I only use the first accelerometer, which is the axon, and I made some data analyze here, and I use it to control the like close part of the rabbit. And here is my text, my image. Well, so wait. Oh, what else? Yeah. And also I got my the little arrow like separately. Yes. So let's go through my tutorial. Well, so first let us just use an OSC chop. And well, I'm not going to mention how to use the OSC thing. Like that's my IP address and I enter my import. So I originally opened the accelerometer requesting on my phone, so you can see the net here. So next, I will only select the X accelerometer since I consider for Touchdesigner sensor, it looks X is enough to detect the user moving. Um, and let us make a trail here so we can know, it can help us analyze the data. Yeah. So in fact, I couldn't just put it on the DAX, but it still have some very minor accelerometer, but that's not a big problem. But when I shake it or just grab my phone, so you can see there's a huge change here. Yeah. Don't forget to use no every time you make some change. It will help you. So I guess here, oh no, I think we should add a count. So we can know like how many times the user, like how many steps the user works. So you don't need to add a straddle as people usually do when they use the count. Um, and also let's add a keyboard so we can clear it every time we want. Okay, let us see. Yeah, it works really well here. You can see, can you see the accumulation net here? And clear it again. Yeah. So next step, so we can make the rabbit now. Okay, so I just made a sphere for the rabbit body. Oh, and another sphere, more thinner for the ear. Yeah. Oh, I guess I should close my dictionary. Okay. So another one. So let's make transform. Okay, I'm not gonna use waste it, so I'm gonna to make another transform on the same sphere. So let's see how it will looks like when they combine. So I use a merge here. Oh, so you cannot see what's going on here. So let's adjust the position of the rabbit. Oh, I should do the copy here. Yeah, I'm a little bit stupid. Okay. Oh, that's great. So just copy and paste. Great. Oh, Lead minus. Yeah, it's not bad, right? I just made the attribute create just in case we need it. Yeah, that's a good habit. And create our geometry for the rabbit. Yay. So then it's the camera. Okay. And the light. Okay. And the render. Render. Okay. And put an out here. Also a transform here. Oh, stupid spelling mistakes here. Okay. Great. The rabbit's here. Oh, one reminder, remember to change that to a vertical size. Yeah. Yeah, that's much better. And also change this. I guess change this. Okay. Okay. So what's our next step? We should make the rabbit jump, right? So then we should consider so every time the user like shake the hand, once the user shake the hand, the rabbit should jump at that moment. So but the count may not work at here. Like although we have a count here, but okay, let me change that to a step count. But since it will adding, and adding, so it's hard for us to make the rabbit only jump when once the value change. So we should do something else, like we can add logic here. For that one, we can turn on the on when value change. So the value will only change once the user so it just can record like the short faded movement. Yeah, that's what I mean. Yes. So our next step is to so maybe we should do some math to make it fit to our rabbit's position, I guess. And let's add a math and also new good habit. Yeah. So for our rabbit body, for the position thing, I think we can adjust that here so you can see. Oh, let me add a transform. That will be much safer. So maybe I think one is not bad. So let us. So I don't think we should do a math here. So it's good for the body, but you can just adjust it if you want. Yeah. So put it on its y value and see what. Okay, there's a very weird body change. Yeah. So our next step is to change the rabbit's ear. So let's add another mask to do the rabbit ear. Okay. So another node. And so I guess for the ear, let us try. How about just using the body data directly at here? Oh, no, we cannot use that since we have different translation at here. So I need to make a new value at here. So that will become 1.1.25. And I guess just add 1 to see what's happening here. Okay. Let's shake our phone. Oh, I guess the move is too fast. So let me add a lag here. Should add it before lag. In fact, I did make the test that whether to add the lag before the move logic, or after, but it seems it's better to add it before the move logic and behind the step count, since the step count doesn't need a lag, right? It's just the text changing. But for our rapid animation, it's better adding a lag. That's really ugly lag. So make it move faster. How about now? Oh, still really, really slow. Maybe to a smaller value. Okay, that looks better. Not bad. So for another here, let us also add the same value. And let me call this maybe vertical ear position. Great. Okay, remember to change name before you assign them. Okay. That's cute. But that's kind of maybe too boring for the ear thing, since I guess it should can move as like my own ear, so it will be more fun. Yeah. So let's add some ear moving effect for our rabbits. It's not hard, but just to add more and more and more. Well, math here. Do lots of math today. Math. So let's add another no. And I wanna the rabbit ear just to like when it's not moving, it may look like my adapter currently showing. And if it jump, its ear should looks like maybe it should looks like this, I guess. So let's change the value here. And let's add another transform here. Transform. Okay. So remember not to put off everything changing the same transform. Since if you change the position, the pivot of the rotation will also change. So remember to add the rotation change before the position change. Yes, it will be have a better original point for the ear rotation. So let's see. Oh, I guess it's not a X position, not Y. And yeah, so that's the Z position. So a whole number will be better. Yeah. So 15. And how should it look like when it's jumping? Okay. 15, 15, and 5. Okay. I got it. So change this to from 15 to minus 15. And at here, it should be like left ear rotation. Okay. So assign this to our rabbit's ear. Okay, it's weird, but not bad. Another copy and paste. Console or copy and paste. Da, da, da. Just reverse this value. Oh, I didn't reverse it what I'm doing. Wait. It's late night, so I'm not so fresh. Then add it to our rabbit ear. Okay, let's see the effect. Woohoo! So currently we just have the rabbit work. We should add another changing here. We just change that to 2. So that's much better. So it won't look like the ear is going like flying away from our rabbit's head. So let's add some color to our rabbit. And here, well, for my rabbit, it should be something great like here. So I'm gonna to use a PBR and a constant and add a color. Yeah, you can add it as whatever you want. Okay, so then make the light to 4, I guess. Does that be lighter? Not in fact. So it have a gray tune. And if you want to be greater, so yeah, you can add a metallic here. But I won't use this yet. Okay. So our next step is to add the text. Yeah, finally here. And just use the normal text is fine. And type energy count. And that is just the explaining text energy count. And maybe add a color to this. So for our color, maybe orange. You can see it's the same color. No, I forgot. I just accidentally used 3 instead of 0. Yeah. Wait, that's still really, really red. Oh. Uh-oh. Great. It looks great now. And another one is the count. So for the count, remember our step count? And put that here. Oh, that's so annoyed. No, get out. So put our step count into the text as reference. So you can see it's currently responsible text. And do some transform again. So let's see. I guess we need to see how does it works in the overall layout. So how about add a composite here? Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Uh-oh. Change this to over or overlay. Okay, over. And change that size. Parent. Wait, didn't I change the parent size to the custom one? Okay. And I guess our tags are hidden behind, and it's in a very, very high position. So maybe 3? Oh, it's too far. 1, still too far. Okay, so upside 1. Okay. Oh, 4. 4 is not bad. So copy and paste. Okay. Another copy and paste. And composite again. And new again. Double security lock. And let's see. Oh, I guess it's not overlay, or maybe just add. No, add, not multiply. Overlay, over. Oh, I guess the problem may be that. So, oh, what's going on here? I see. Sorry, I forgot to change this. So yeah, that is over, and this one is add. Uh-oh. Oh, so many bad things. Adjust it a little bit more. Oh, point is better. Okay, that's great. And that's it. So you can see that's not bad. Okay, let's add a transform as a background. 22, 1, and 1, and down. Okay, great. You see it here, jumping here? So I'm not going to make the little arrows at here. So I'm not going to remake our little arrow here since it's very same style like rotation for the rabbit. And I just change the alpha of the color of the arrow to 0 when it doesn't move. It's the same thing for the jumping movement. Yes. And that's it.
So for the future exploration, you can try playing more with the accelerometer, detect the threshold, analyze it, and you can do running detection just as what I have in my web app. And also another possibility may be adding more assets or more animation 3D model parts to the rabbit or your own avatar. Maybe you can also use your own, your JSON or any script trying to connect them to the Touchdesigner to see how well the code interact with the accelerometer that you read through TouchOSC or how it will interact with your models. Yeah.
Well, thanks for watching. So welcome to subscribe or recommend that to your friends. Well, that's not such a like mature tutorial, but I'm happy to doing this, like remake my own web app layout design to a Touchdesigner one. So if you think that's interest, welcome to follow my Instagram account or finding me on LinkedIn or YouTube. Yeah. Bye. See you.